If I gave you the truth, would it keep you alive? Though I'm closer to wrong, I'm no further from right. And now I'm convinced on the inside something's wrong with me. Convinced on the inside so much more than me. There's nothing